I hear America singing the very carols I hear. Those of mechanics, each one singing his as it would be blithe and strong. The carpenter singing his as he measures his plank or beam. The mason singing his as he makes ready for work or leaves of work. The boatman singing what belongs to him in his boat. The deckhand singing on the steamboat deck. The shoemaker is singing as he sits on his bench. The hatter is singing as he stands. The woodcutter's song, the plowboy's on his way in the morning or at noon intermission or at sundown. The delicious singing of the mother or of the young wife at work or of the girl sewing or washing. Each singing what belongs to him or her and to none else. The day what belongs to the day, at night the party of young fellows, robust, friendly, singing with open mouths the strong melodious songs. Aboard at a ship's helm, a young steersman steering with care, through fog on a sea coast dolefully ringing, an ocean bellow a warning bell, rocked by the waves. Oh, you give good notice indeed, you bell by the sea rifts ringing, 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 to warn the ship from its wrecked place. For us on the alert, O steersman, you mind a loud admonition. The bowstern, the frightened ship tacking speeds away under her grey sails. The beautiful and noble ship and all her precious wealth speeds away gaily and safe. But oh, the ship, the immortal ship, oh ship aboard the ship, ship of the body, ship of the soul, voyaging, voyaging, voyaging. This is the hour, O soul, thy free flight into the wordless, away from books, away from art, the day erased, the lesson done. Thee fully forth emerging, silent, gazing, pondering the themes thou lovest best, night, sleep, death, and the stars. Why? Who makes much of a miracle? As to me, I know of nothing else but miracles. Whether I walk the streets of Manhattan, or dart my sight over the roofs of houses toward the sky, or wade with naked feet along the beach just in the edge of the water, or stand under trees in the woods, or talk by day with anyone I love, or sleep in the bed at night with anyone I love, or sit at table at dinner with the rest, or look at strangers opposite me riding the car, or watch honeybees busy around the hive of a summer forenoon, or animals feeding in the fields, or birds, or the wonderfulness of insects in the air, or the wonderfulness of the sundown, or of stars shining so quiet and bright, or the exquisite delicate thin curve of the new moon in spring. These with the rest, one and all, are to me miracles, the whole referring, yet each distinct and in its place. To me, every hour of the light and dark is a miracle. Every cubic inch of space is a miracle. Every square yard of the surface of the earth is spread with the same. Every foot of the interior swarms with the same. To me, the sea is a continual miracle. The fishes that swim, the rocks, the motion of the waves, the ships with the men in them. What stranger miracles are there? I see before me now a traveling army halting, below a fertile valley spread with barns in the orchards of summer. Behind, the terraced sides of a mountain, abrupt, in places rising high, broken with rocks, with clinging cedars, with tall shapes dangly seen. The numerous campfires scattered near and far, some away up on the mountain. The shadowy forms of men and horses, looming, large-sized, flickering, and all over the sky. The sky, far, far out of reach, studded, bringing out the eternal stars. O Captain, my Captain, our fearful trip is done. The ship has weathered every wrack, the prize we sought is won. The port is near, the bells say here, the people all exulting. While follow ice the steady keel, the vessel grim and daring. But oh heart, heart, hard. All the bleeding drops of red where on the deck my captain lies, fallen cold and dead. Oh captain, my captain, rise up and hear the bells. Rise up, for you the flag is flung, for you the bugle trills. For you bouquets and ribboned wreaths, for you the shores a crowding. For you they call the swaying mass, their eager faces turning. Here captain, dear father, this arm beneath your head, it is some dream that on deck you've fallen cold and dead. My captain does not answer, his lips are pale and still. My father does not feel my arm, he has no pulse nor will. The ship is anchored safe and sound, its voyage close and done. From fearful trip, the victor ship comes in with object won. Exalt, O shores, and ring, O bells, but I with mournful tread walk the deck my captain lies, fallen cold and dead. A noiseless patient spider, I marked where on a little promontory stood isolated. Marked how to explore the vacant, vast surrounding. It launched forth filament, filament, filament out of itself, ever unreeling them, ever tirelessly speeding them. And you, O my soul, where you stand, surrounded, detached in measureless oceans of space, ceaselessly musing, venturing, throwing, seeking the spears to connect them. Till the bridge you will need be formed, till the ductile anchor hold, till the gossamer thread you fling catch somewhere, O my soul.